Welcome to the comprehensive guide on SEO best practices. In this video, we will explore modern techniques for search engine optimization in the year 2025. Let's dive in. The foundation of any successful SEO strategy rests on three core pillars: technical SEO, content optimization, and link building. Technical SEO involves optimizing the foundation of your website's performance. This includes site speed, mobile responsiveness, indexing, crawlability, and secure HTTPS implementation. This ensures search engines can effectively access and understand your content. Content optimization focuses on creating high-quality, relevant content that answers user intent. It incorporates strategic keywords and follows the EAT principles, that is, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Content remains a very important factor in modern SEO. Let's look at some on-page search engine optimization HTML structure best practices. Here's an example of an optimized HTML structure. The title tag should be concise and include primary keywords. The meta description provides a brief summary of the page content, encouraging clicks from the search engine results pages. H1 tag should clearly define the page's main topic. The alt attribute of the image tag should describe the image, improving accessibility and providing SEO context. The article tag contains the main content of the page, with headings and paragraphs to structure the information. Core Web Vitals are critical performance metrics that Google uses to evaluate user experience. Let's examine the three key metrics. First, largest contentful paint or LCP measures loading performance. It marks the time at which the largest image or text block becomes visible within the viewport. Aim for an LCP of 2.5 seconds or less. Second, first input delay, or FID, measures interactivity. This is the time from when a user first interacts with your site to the time when the browser can respond to that interaction. Strive for an FID of 100 milliseconds or less. Third, cumulative layout shift or CLS measures visual stability. It quantifies the amount of unexpected layout shifts of visible page content during the entire lifespan of the page. Keep your CLS score at 0.1 or less. Let's talk about content strategy for search engine optimization success. Start with the user intent at the core, and then research and identify relevant keywords. Create high-quality, optimized content and then analyze it. Then distribute this content, engage with your audience, and monitor performance. Remember to focus on user intent and search context. Create comprehensive content that demonstrates experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Optimize for featured snippets and rich result opportunities, and implement structured data markup for enhanced search engine results pages visibility. Conduct regular content audits and updates to maintain freshness. Here is a technical search engine optimization implementation guide. The robots.txt file tells search engine crawlers which pages or files the crawler can or can't request from your site. The allow directives specify the sections that can be crawled, such as the blog and products sections. The disallow directives restrict access to sensitive areas like the admin and private directories. The sitemap provides a list of all available pages for the crawlers. Some of the critical implementation steps are: implement HTTPS site-wide with proper redirects, enable XML sitemap with index structure, configure canonical tags for duplicate content, and set up proper internal linking structure. Let's discuss mobile-first search engine optimization. Some mobile optimization guidelines are: implement responsive design with fluid layouts and flexible images that adapt seamlessly across all device sizes. Ensure buttons and links have adequate spacing and size, a minimum of 44 by 44 pixels tap targets. Optimize images, minimize code, and leverage browser caching for faster mobile loading. And ensure the mobile version has the same content and markup as the desktop version. Here is a guide to local search engine optimization. The local business schema markup helps search engines understand what your business is and where it is located. You should optimize and maintain an up-to-date Google business profile with accurate information. Maintain consistent name, address, and phone number, that is NAP, across all online directories. Target location-specific keywords in titles, meta descriptions, and content. Link building and authority metrics are very important for search engine optimization. Domain authority measures a website's search engine ranking potential. Referral traffic refers to the quality and quantity of traffic from backlinks. Link age is the duration of backlink existence and authority. Some of the effective link building strategies are content partnerships, broken link building, and digital public relations. Let's see how to measure search engine optimization success. Some of the key performance indicators, or KPIs, are organic traffic, conversion rate, search engine results, page click-through rate, and keywords. Some essential tracking tools are Google Search Console to monitor search performance, indexing status and technical issues, Google Analytics 4 to track user behavior, traffic sources and conversion metrics, and search engine optimization audit tools for regular technical audits to identify and fix optimization issues. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.